We have given implication. If triangle ABC is right triangle, then a square equals b square plus c square. So let me put that our simple statement is ABC is right triangle. This is our P. And a square equals b square plus c square is our Q. We have implication P imply Q. First we have to write the converse of if P then Q. We have if Q then P. So we have first our Q statement, simple statement. So we have if a square equals b square plus c square, then we have triangle ABC is right triangle. Now we have to write contrapositive. So we will have contrapositive for if P then Q is if not Q then not P. So we have to negate Q first. So we have if negation of equation is will be a square is different than b square plus c square, then and negation of triangle ABC is right triangle will be triangle ABC is not right triangle. This is my solution.